In front of me is OnePlus Nord, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the camera app and click on the timer icon that is right here, so just mark it, and pick 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. I will pick 10 seconds delay, and now just grab a photo. As you can see, it will be captured after 10 seconds. And that's it. Then if you would like to switch it off, just mark on the timer icon again, tap on off, and now the picture will be grabbed right after you click. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.